Push your 6.
Shit, I'm right. Oh, fuck!
You alright?
Alex, you okay? Okay, let's get ready.
You're a runner, yeah? You're a runner, you're a track star.
Normally I run with Case or whatever it is, but yeah.
Feel free to sprint ahead. We're going to be pushing tactically, trying to get the destination point as quick as far.
Are we pushing with objective? Who's got objective? Jordan has. Nice going.
Ginger midget.
Is that his
that short? I'm like half an inch shorter than him.
He's like half an inch short.
Yeah.
This is what we get.
It's just insult the one geezer that's decided to grab the fucking box.
That's alright, we know him. We love him.
Got
We know him, we love him. It's alright. He's
worse. You could have said the ginger's small fat midget.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
you gotta come along with us. You're funny. You gotta stay.
Mate, there's no way I'm keeping up with you guys.
What do we call you?
Dead.
Kids there. Yo, move to the left a little bit. I'm going to sprint out that door.
He is running out that door.
Man's running with a box.
Yeah.
Let's go with a box.
Are you going out the right door?
I'm going out the left, out the right door, yeah.
Right door, I'll clear it. Everyone move to the left, move over to the left. We got a guy who's going to run. Kai, move. Go, go, go. Everyone after him. Go. Go,
Move.
Hit. Go, go, everyone push, go.
Next on me.
Coming with you, Kai. Keep the energy, let's go. Ah.
We're on the left.
Am I firing anything?
I think so.
Oh shit, okay. Oh shit, I'm sorry, I had no idea. I genuinely didn't know. Okay, cool. Got objective.
Yeah.
Might not want to sit there, tuck in a bit. We're taking fire from straight down and the left hand side in the bushes. They're in the bushes in front of us, we can't take them out from here.
So I'm on the right flank. I can actually shoot down on some people, so I'm trying to take people out now.
If we stand up, we're taken out.
Cool, stay there. Just stay safe, okay?
Jordan, stay low, man. Our objective just went down on the left hand side. We've got a teammate out, he dropped it over there. Just in those bushes behind the tree. He had to drop it. Yeah?
Take this for a second. So where do I have to take it?
Just bring it back here for now.
Right.
We got to get it all.
This tree's right there.
This tree right here, it's behind it on the floor. Stay low, man, stay low. Wearing shorts is brave. Other side of the tree, other side. We got teammates on the left hand side now. Oh, you're right. You got it, stay down. There's your gun, good job.
Do I take it?
Yeah, keep it down for now. We've got to get it all the way up here on the end,
right.
But they're between us and it, so. If anyone's still gunning on the left-hand side, we're still pinned down over here. We have the objective now.
I am pushing it. I'm making progress. I just need like 5-6 more minutes.
They're gaining ground on the right-hand side currently. Should we come to you or do we stay here?
Almost certainly not. There's too much area. Single squads work. Try and work through the bushes if you can. We are almost perpendicular.
Let's push slowly. Let's push slowly. Grab cover, grab cover.
Nice one, dude. You all right? You okay, mate? You good?
Where's he going with his hand up? He's going the wrong way. That's not their respawn. We got people going that way to respawn, that way.
We're going forward. We need that respawn advance.
There's someone in these hedges. Anyone have a grenade? Have you still got that grenade? Do you think you could get it in there?
I got a smite. Oh, he's right there.
You see
right
him?
here, in this bush, right here.
Right in front. Are you good at throwing? Give it a shot. You're better than me. Okay. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm sorry. I should have taken that. Alright, fuck it. If I get hit, I get hit. Am I right to use it?
Yeah.
I'm just going to lob it if that's alright.
Yeah, I imagine it's like a 3 or 4.
Nice.
Fuck, he's still up. We got respawn right next to us now. Fuck, hit! Ah! Hit! Oh, my fucking back. Do we have bomb? Where's the objective? We've pushed up left side. If you can get the bomb up here, that'd be fantastic. Jordan, where?
Where is he?
I don't know.
What's he doing?
We're in a firefight. Let's look alive. Let's go. Let's go. I almost lit the fuck out of that ghillie. Oh my god, he's our team. Drop, drop. Contact. Jordan, left hand side. Hit, I think. I don't know actually.
Come on! Let's push!
Hit! Your name's James?
Yeah,
Watch that side.
yeah,
They're shooting down across.
yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. We're on it, we're on it. I'll radio it in. You gotta put the bomb on the table. It's in the shed.
Can I leave my
Yep.
Thank you.
I'll be here.
Yes, sure.
We got a man going up. Cover him.
Listen, they're straight ahead in those bushes. Anyone with a long rifle, go for that shot.
Anyone else pretty much rushed? Crossing.
He's putting it. We got objective. We got the objective. Let's go. Go, go, go.
So hold it for a minute. Matt,
Yeah.
They're holding left.
We got it on the table. We just got to hold it for 1 minute.
come on, there's a lot of you, big boy!
Let's shut that lid up!
Come on. Let's go.
Does this count as holding?
Sorry?
Does this count?
The camera?
Does this count as holding?
You've secured the point already. You just need to literally shut that lid off on the deck box and take that to CQB now. Oh, flip down
Oh yeah.
and under. Lovely. Right, we got 1 point from the screen. Lovely. Dead box is ready.
Can I throw it?
No, please don't.
Oh, I'm dead.
Hoorah! Viva la revolución!
Sprint.
Come
Yeah.
Anyone behind building up here?
Yep, follow me.
Yep.
Ah, you fucker.
There's someone in there.
Literally, I think you're in line of fire.
There's friendlies.
Oh, right to the fucking hell.
You're right.
Yeah, I'm right.
Jordan! Jordan! Where's your con, buddy?
Oh, I took it off.
You bitch.
I'm not really going dark. I'm not really talking if I'm in the bushes, am I?
The bushes. Guys, I need everyone's help. We've got to ghillie this fucker. You're gonna look incredible, buddy.
Thank you, babe. This is like the scene. Cheers, sweetheart. My big fan.
Thanks for keeping it.
Cheers, Pookie Bear.
Yeah, that's perfect.
At the same time.
You look wonderful. You're the prettiest princess at the game. Oh, whatever.
Jordan, you keep moving, I'm gonna start beating your ass.
Yeah.
They're pushing heavy right.
Oh, they really are.
Don't let him get to rifle shed. Push now.
Yep. Oh. Alex, I'm coming in behind you.
Right side, right side! Alex, peek out. They're on the mound right in front of you across that way. They're laying down now. You see them?
I can't see shit!
Okay, maybe not then. I got it.
It's all laying down.
There's another. He's out, he's out, he's out. Ammo!
You got it! No!
Gun up!
If I cover you, do you want to come in here?
Oh shit! They're all on the left! Fuck! They broke through! Fucking hell. Behind you, behind you, behind you!
Push your 6.
Shit, I'm doing! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
You alright?
Alex, you okay? Stop, stop, stop! Blind man, blind man!
No,
You alright?
I'm blind, that's just really fucking hurt!
Head, stop, 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 stop!
No, I'm
You
not
okay?
blind, that just really fucking hurt.
You're right. Stop!
So bad.
Stop! Stop!
Will you stop firing, you wanker?
Cover, cover, cover.
You alright?
Nothing's bleeding, nothing's
Okay.
bad. Head, head, head! We got
Stop firing!
Oh, shit.
You okay?
That felt like I got lit up from way...
Stop firing! We got a man high in here!
Got a man injured. That felt like I got lit up from way inside minimum range there.
You want cover getting out?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You alright?
What's the injury?
You alright?
Is it just the ear?
No, you're alright, buddy.
Yeah. You alright?
I get it. It's cartilage shit, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go off?
No, I'm fine.
You're not bleeding or anything, your
It
ears
just felt like I
intact.
got lit up. It's genuine. It felt like I was getting hit
Yeah,
from a
you're
lot.
just very, very red.
Alright.
We're all good. Okay, take
Right.
like 15 back. And then
Stop firing! Everyone cease fire!
Oh, okay.
Because you're behind a wooden wall, I'm saying injured player. All
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, all good.
Okay,
We were yelling it a good
will be
few
all good to
times.
go. Just give me 1 moment to get out of the hut. Play it.
Right. Right, we're a bit fucked now.
We are cornered, aren't we?
Yep. Let's light these fuckers up.
We will go down fighting then!
Jordan, we need backup. We're about to go the fuck off.
Ow! Son of a bitch! Okay? Dead man coming out! Do you not understand that my dead man you do?
Ah, hit. Yep, we traded. Good shit, man. Ow, motherfucker. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
I've been shot again.
Took long enough.
I've been shot again.
Took long enough. Hit.
Dead man walking! Dead man walking! Dead!
Wow, what a strange day.
I just want to say that Alex is fine now and felt better fairly soon after the game day, so that's all good. I also want to say thank you to War Dogs for jumping in to help when things went bad. They're very good guys. We always appreciate their help and their backup. I also want to say thank you to the Dogtag Marshals who know how to perfectly prioritise the fun and safety of their players every game day. Despite the cheating and the injuries in the second half, we enjoyed the first half of the attack and defence game mode that day at Dogtag Airsoft. This commentary is being recorded on the 2nd of August, around 10 days after the events of this video. We've already played another game day since then, and it was a ton of fun. I do not feel bad at all about the clickbait, title or thumbnail that I may be using. A small channel's got to do what a small channel has got to do. But I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you did. From all of us here at Avis, we thank you very much for watching.